Why your app keeps crashing and how to fix it. Is your app crashing again and again? Whether you're a developer or just frustrated as a user, here's why it's happening and how you can fix it. Memory leaks or overload. Memory leaks. Apps that hog device memory or don't release it properly can crash unexpectedly. Optimize memory usage and test with profiling tools. Unhandled exceptions. Unhandled errors. One missed exception in code can bring the whole app down. Always handle exceptions gracefully and log crash reports. Poor network handling, bad network handling. If your app crashes when there's no internet, you've got a problem. Implement offline handling and retry logic. Outdated SDKs or libraries. Outdated SDKs or dependencies. Old or incompatible libraries can crash your app after updates. Keep dependencies updated and test after every upgrade. Device compatibility issues. Device fragmentation. What works on one phone might break on another. Test across different devices and OS versions. Bonus tip, real-world testing. Test your app in real-world conditions. Low battery, poor signal, multitasking. All of it. App crashes damage your reputation and user trust. Identify the root cause, test thoroughly, and use tools like Firebase Crashlytics or Sentry to catch bugs before users do. Need help stabilizing your app? Drop a comment or reach out.